Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Miss Umi Hidayah, an English teacher of SMP Islam Al-Azhar 41, Summarecon Serpong. Today we have an active learning activity for 9 grades, that is procedure text. They're cooking something like food and drinks, beverage, and they get unique name for the food. This is the active learning activity, and we hope that the students enjoy and can improve their English skill, especially speaking skill. Okay, that's about the information. Hope you enjoy the activity. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadine Andavindra Safaras from 9C, and today we held an activity called Procedure Text on English subject. Our groups makes recipe called fruit sando. Why fruit sando? Because sando is Japanese for sandwich. Fruit sando is a bread with whipped cream in it and fruits. The ingredients are bread, whipped cream, mango, strawberry, and kiwi. The equipment: blender and spoon and plate. What I got from this activity is I can learn and increase my vocabulary, and I can improve my English skills. Okay, that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Firman Hakim Soekardi from the class 9C. Today we have an English assignment, procedure text. And our group today made some garlic toasted cheese sandwich. And the ingredients that we have is some bread, cheese slices, and some salted butter and garlic powder. From this assignment, what I get is our teamwork makes the assignment perfect. Vocabulary, and my vocabulary is better by talking to other people in using English. And that's what I got from this. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Audiva Parheta Rizky from the class 9C. Today I joined English lesson with Miss Umi Hidayah, and our activity today is procedure text. Me and my group is making a sushi roll, but we rename it with butterfly roll. And sushi is a famous food from Japanese, and y'all know that if sushi is very good, and ingredients in it like seaweed, and you can add the chicken or maybe a fish like salmon and tuna. What I've got from this activity is fun learning, increase my vocabulary, and work in a team. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azhar from 9C, and today we held a procedure text activity on English. Our groups made white plates and making a drink called White Cloud. And White Cloud is actually a vanilla drink that blend with ice cream and other ingredients. You know, White Cloud is the texture is more like milkshake, and we know that milkshake the texture is the same like a cloud, so we name it White Cloud. And our ingredient for the White Cloud is vanilla milk powder, sugar, water, ice cubes, vanilla, and ice cream. And our tools or utensil is blender, spoon, glass. This procedure text activity is we can more experiment about the menu of our team, and that we can't tell about it on here. So yeah, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.